The Ysgwrn and its landscape here is incredible. The feeling that you get when you arrive here is homely. It's nice to see such an array of different people here in the Ysgwrn and a sense of family and belonging when you arrive here. I'm Glain and I've been brought up in the village Ysgwrn, close to Ysgwrn, and my life has been circled around the Ysgwrn from a very young age. I went to Ysgwrn. I fell in love with the Ysgwrn. I started working here when I was 16 years old. The experiences I've gained here are incredible. So when people arrive here, it's always quite a special moment. It's so peaceful here, and I get to start telling the story of Ysgwrn, how he was brought up here in this little farmhouse in Ysgwrn. And I get to talk about how it's been kept, also exactly how it was when Ysgwrn was here. I lead them then into a parlour where the chair is, the National Eisteddfod chair is. Seeing people's faces when they see the chair for the first time is an incredible, special feeling. They're mesmerised with the place itself. It's a very important place for the local people here in the area. So there's a variety of different options for everyone in the village, and it's a nice place to get together and to remember the Welsh history that we have. The Welsh language is an important part of that. You also get the feeling of longing for this incredible place. So the Ysgwrn is more than a farmhouse in the middle of the mountain that has a story behind it.